I'm Kasia and I'm conscious life and leadership coach. And officially, I guide people through change, whether that's in their careers, relationships, or the way they show up in their own lives. I lead workshops, run retreats, and design programs grounded in neuroscience and personal transformation. But the deeper truth is that I help people remember who they really are. And what does this mean? Well, it could be interpreted in a lot of ways, but it means that I create a space and structure for people to pause, get clear, and reconnect with their inner wisdom. I don't fix people. I don't give them answers. I walk beside them as they break through their own limitations and activate the clarity and courage that was always there. And who do I do that for? Well, for people in transition, professionals, entrepreneurs, parents, seekers, anyone who feels stuck, burnout, or like they are living someone else's life. And if someone asks me, how do I help them change? What would be my answer? Well, I don't change people. That's a very old model of thinking. I don't believe people are broken. What I do is show them how their current thoughts, emotions, and patterns are shaping their reality. And together, we work on closing the gap between where they are and where they have the potential to be and the potential of who they want to become. So it's not about adding more. It's about unlearning what no longer fits so they can move forward with clarity, intention, and real inner power.